Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new Cold Culture automotive video. Today we're going to be looking at this new lift kit that my dad got from Rough Country to put on his 3.5 Powerboost. Just jumping right into it. I already cracked these boxes open because they have like those cardboard staples in them and I don't want to spend all time on footage cranking them up. But just getting this one open, I was kind of stuck on something. Woo. There's the scissors I used. Really heavy, not gonna lie. I haven't held too many shocks in my life, but there you go. You see on there it says Rough Country. So this is gonna provide 3 inches of lift. They're also adjustable to add whatever size lift you want. They just compress the spring for that, but it's also gonna help him a little bit off-road, giving him more clearance. And he's taking my tires and rims from my Ranger that we're gonna throw on the truck. So we're switching to the phone camera because I opened this one up and see this. I think this is kind of a really nice touch. Kind of makes it feel like quality packaging sort of thing. But right here, you're gonna get some like an accessory handbook is what I'm guessing. And then, bam, those are your upper control arms. So let's take a closer look at these. Okay, so here's gonna be the upper control arms. It feels like billet aluminum. I'm not sure if it is or not. If it's not, I'll put it on the screen that it's not. But this actually seems really, really good quality. There's the RC right there, which is really nice. You can see the angle it gives you to try to give you that better ride quality. Really nice. Rubber grommets too. It's Rough Country, and I know Rough Country used to have that whole, oh, that's the cheap crap vibe to them, but honestly, this doesn't feel like the cheap crap. I had Icon billet aluminum, aluminum billet upper control arms on my Ranger, and these feel almost identical to it. A little thinner, actually, but I don't know if that's just the difference between what goes on the Ranger and what goes on the F-150. I haven't taken a close enough look yet, but these look like really good quality. And for this package only being about $900, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Alrighty, so these are gonna be the rear shock struts. They're being held in right here, but nice aluminum, monotube construction. Very good quality, honestly guys, it feels very, very nice. There's not too much about it. My dad didn't choose to go with the adjustable reservoirs. He's not gonna be doing too much off-roading. He just wants enough lift to be able to go over, you know, pretty novelist obstacles and to give the truck the appearance he's looking for. But this feels like very good quality. And honestly, I'm really happy with this kit so far. The instructions come on something that you can just scan the QR code, sort of how like restaurants are doing right now with your phone with like menus. But other than that, I'm really happy with it, guys. I mean, it also comes with this nice kind of Ford accessories book of everything else that they offer for Ford. We might go through this and get some other objects from Rough Country. Like I said earlier, I know Rough Country in the past has been known as kind of like the cheaper route for things, and it still is, but I would say it's not as much the cheaper route for things as much as it is like the more competitive pricing route for things. And it's really nice because I can tell you right now, back in 2014, this is not what Rough Country felt like. Like, they have evolved so much from when I started driving and when I got my first truck. So I'm actually kind of proud of them. We will put these to the test and see how good they really are. Sometimes things just feel good and then you put them on and they're crap. We're actually going to get it installed tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. And like I said earlier, we're going to put my rims and tires on my Ranger 33s Nito Ridge Grapplers 1552 rim on my dad's truck. And I mean, it's going to look pretty badass, honestly guys. I'm really excited for it. I know a lot of you guys are anticipating what it's going to look like with the lift, what the gas mileage is going to be like, all those types of things. So stay tuned for that. And hey, if you got anything out of this video, please, please, please consider subscribing. None of this stuff is free. I mean, I didn't pay for it, but none of this stuff is free, and it does help support the channel when you guys like, comment, and share. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.